Evening everyone, it's Ian from DIY Home and Gardening. Got a slight helper tonight, my wife. Just doing a little bit of deadheading on the Dianthus, or carnations as most people call them. So just thought I'd do a really quick video to show you how to do it. Right, this is going to be a super fast video on how to deadhead your Dianthus, carnations, whatever you want to call them. I've even got a slight helper, so you can see that they've gone over flowering pretty quickly, basically because of the hot weather. With carnations, you'll notice they have these very distinctive leaf joints, which makes it nice and easy for cuttings, but that's a subject for another day. But for the time being, we'll do some deadheading. As you can see, they tend to flower right at the very ends, and then you end up on the flowering stem with literally no leaf growth. Take your fingers, snap them at the base, at the joint, and that's it, done. And then you'll find that this will then reshoot. See, exhibit A, that will then reshoot from the joint and bulk up your plants, so you can see before, and that is after. There's another plant that I was doing earlier, and this one here on the end I did about a fortnight ago, and you see it's totally different, so it's really infilled and bulked up in size. So thanks for watching. Hope you found the video of use. Please subscribe if you did, or send me a message and I'll be happy to get back to you. Enjoy your garden. See you soon. Bye.